Helvellyn summit via Stridning Edge. Hi, my name's Ben. I'm a UK-based mountain leader and welcome to Summit and Beyond. There's a lot of turbulent air moving around at the minute and storms are imminent. However, we decided that we were going to meet up anyway and just play it by ear. The plan was to head up and over Grisdale Beck and then start picking our way up onto the ridge line. So we set out, the humidity was like 95%, so it was really sweaty.
Here he is.
How are you?
I'm really good, mega excited.
I put out a poll saying both fell off Striding Edge.
Yeah.
Striding Edge was the winner.
Yeah.
So here we are. This is insane. There's no wind at all. I've just recently started offering my guided walks on a donations only basis for these like single mountain trips, because the way I see it is like I just don't feel that people should be restricted when this is like essential for your health. Hello mate, how you doing? Look at the tarn. Striding Edge complete. How are you feeling, Ben?
Feeling pretty good. I mean, why would I not be feeling good, eh? So I've been to several mountains around the world, skiing and climbing. But you know what? Like, you just can't beat the lakes. The lakes is absolutely out of this world.
There's no one here. It's just us. This whole area here is our playground for the morning, which is pretty cool. Life is pretty damn good. Hlevellyn. There it is. There's where we've come up here. There is Blencathra. There, that's where we went in the last video. And over there in the cloud is home. Route summary.
Pretty incredible, wasn't it?
I think it's the second time I've ever been on Helvellyn or Striding Edge with a view like that.
So every other time I've been on Stridning Edge, I've tried to go and capture something like that, and it's always been like the
cloudy.
Yeah, it just seems to always blow in. So at 6 o'clock this morning, when we were walking up, we saw a deer. Like, that was mad.
Shit, yeah.
We saw a deer in this beautiful weather. Got no idea how it's going to turn out, but...
Got no idea. It was good, man. I think we just enjoyed being out.
Yeah, totally. It wasn't about speed today.
No, it was about enjoying the route. And I think that's what we're going out for anyway, to enjoy the route, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What should we do next?
I don't know, mate. We could do, I've quite fancied Pinnacle Ridge.
Pinnacle Ridge?
Pinnacle Ridge, or potentially Crinkle Crags, Bowfell.
Crinkle Crags and Bowfell. Alright, so Pinnacle Ridge or Crinkle Crags or Bowfell, we'll see. We'll ask people what they want. Shall we do that?
Maybe we should put a poll out.
Should we do a poll?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll do a poll.
Let's do a poll.
Don't forget to subscribe and go and watch either this video or this video. Other than that, hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video in a bit.